Alright guys, alright, I got my plumbing hooked up. I got the pressure tank hooked up. I got all the lines buried. Finally. And now this tank's gonna be filled. I'm slowly filling it right now. I'm gonna time it and see how long I have. But yeah, I'm getting it done slowly but surely. And then after this, I plan on hooking up right in here where the sun hits up against my house. I'm gonna hook up black PVC pipe and make a heater so it heats up the water so it goes into my house. Alright, next project is probably hooking up that. Alright guys, have a good day. Subscribe please.